Three top tips for growing some fantastic sweet peas is the first one is try and grow them up a column. Don't grow them up a wigwam, because a wigwam is going to restrict the growth as they grow. The sweet peas start off with small plants, but they want to grow bigger. So by growing them up a column, just keep feeding the plants into the column and get plenty of air circulation. You're going to get much better quality plants. They're not all going to get tangled up with each other. The other thing is you can grow them as a cordon grown plant, so you can grow them up bamboo canes, tie them in as they grow up, take the tendrils and the side shoots off, and that will increase the length of the stem. And the other top tip about them is to keep cutting them. Cutting them regularly will bring up more flowers. Every 3 days you'll have a new bunch to put indoors and look lovely for the house.